multi-exclusive dimensional being Kyle with another exclusive. So today's video gonna be a quick, very short, but I'm gonna basically tell y'all how y'all basically what the agendas that the government uses and the numbers that they uses and the cards that they basically utilize to basically push and initiate to gain control and popularity and energy over y'all so they can utilize it for whatever they want to utilize it for their benefits or they doubt. It's like a magic square. So it's like when you pay your attention to something, you get something back. Feel me? Everybody, you know what I'm saying? It's a good time, whole lot of it's like Friday, feel me? So that's dealing with love, that's dealing with Venus, that's dealing with sexual, that's dealing with beauty and charm and shit. And of course, this is the card of the day. So is we in the this is number 4. So that's dealing with the highest ideas and concepts. That's also dealing with the carrot energy. That's dealing with the moon too. Feel me? And the moon is in Cancer today too. So of course, they utilizing it as an agenda to push, initiate, and create, and basically trap y'all minds and get y'all lost into some shit. It's Friday and shit. So this is a day to basically indulge with your family, your girl, have sex, come and utilize the sex energy to whatever you want to manifest it for and initiate and create. So of course, everybody lost. Everybody don't know how to utilize the energy. So the energies, if you're not using the energy, it's gonna be used against you and shit. And these are energies that they always use on a day-to-day basis. So this ain't really nothing new. But as y'all know, like this is what's going on. So of course, they hung Will Smith and Jada on a cross. So this is the hangman. So basically, this is like new ways of going about circumstances, situations, and shit. Of course, they are just actors. Y'all gotta understand and overstand. They're just actors, and they playing out the script. They playing out the role. So of course, they use them as the face to utilize whatever weapon or whatever scheme that they want to push, initiate, and create to get people mind trapped and all go crazy and shit. So of course, everybody gonna start feeding them, and of course, this is the express. So this is basically the empress. So this dealing with the fruits. So of course, she initiated and created and pushed out her fruit. And she pushed out her mercy by saying she slept with August Alstina. So of course, you can't believe everything that you see with your 2 eyes. You gotta really travel there. You gotta really get the information to basically see for your own point of perspective. But everybody so lost and shit. Everybody like, oh shit. But you see how y'all being mind controlled, y'all being mind trapped, a spell and ritual is being programmed to y'all, a seed is being planted to y'all, and y'all don't know what they using it for. But that's the whole purpose of being subconsciously, consciously, and unconsciously aware of certain shit that you shouldn't be praising to. So while they going around doing certain shit and utilizing y'all distraction, they using this shit is a distraction to distract you from another purpose. Because why are you paying attention to Will Smith and Jada's relationship? They don't give a fuck about y'all. They ain't giving y'all no money. Y'all paying them attention. They don't give 2 shits about y'all. So y'all just lost into the whole concept of just basically making their fruits and labor grow. They might buy a new house now. They just got more money to put away in the bank now because y'all gave them attention, mind, body, and soul. So y'all attention is being redirected into the wrong ways. And of course, it was these articles went out on CNN and shit, all this shit. Feel me? It's just mind control. Feel me? Y'all being trapped. So that's pretty much what's going on. And what's gonna be even more crazier is somebody might die tomorrow. Because no disrespect, RP to my nigga Kobe, but so I did the math. Death is basically dealing with death and transformation, rebirth, regeneration, recompass, and getting rid of something. The Emperor is basically dealing with a celebrity. So basically, I utilize and play these cards with Kobe Bryant and shit. And these were the same cards that play out. So a celebrity, it might be a circumstance situation where a celebrity might end up missing, might die, or just something might pop out. I think it's that chick. I don't know what the chick name. She got lost or some shit. She was drowning or some shit. I figured it might be her, but it might be somebody. Somebody's gonna die tomorrow though. But be very careful. Be aware of your surroundings. And tomorrow is Saturday. Limitations, restriction. That's Saturday. That's a Sabbath day. That's a Sabbath day. That's the day you're not supposed to overindulge. That's the day you're not supposed to go out here wilding this shit. Friday is a day of love, appreciation, and balance, creativity, harmonious energies. But you see how everybody you see how the government utilizes your energy as an opposing energy to worry about negative shit and indulge in so shit. So of course they're gonna use your energy, and tomorrow somebody might die tomorrow, which is a possibility. Feel me? Because all this shit going on and shit. It's gonna be a death tomorrow. Feel me? Death is every day, but being that it's gonna be a celebrity into this mix, so it's gonna really go deep onto the spectrum of how it's gonna be played out. So That's what's going on. So, you know, they redirect your energy and they utilize it for whatever they want to utilize it for their purposes. Feel me? So don't be surprised if somebody out here dropping dead tomorrow. Feel me? I remember, I got it from me. Feel me? But of course, I'm going to do some spiritual work. I'm going to figure out who. And of course, you know, their favorite number is, well, to being that tomorrow is going to be 7-11. That's 9. That's completion or something. And you add 10, 11, 12, 13 for 2020, which is 4. Me and Carmetic, we in that's 13. So that's, yeah, that's 7-11. So you add 7. Well, tomorrow's gonna be the 7th, which is the July, and you add +2, which is gonna be 9, and we in 2020. That's gonna be 13. And their favorite number is 13. So 3 + 1 is 4. So somebody's gonna die tomorrow, and that's real shit. And you could do the number. You could do the numbering with Kobe Bryant also, because you know. The number 13 is their favorite number, and they love utilizing that number for death and rituals or all kind of spells and shit. So, let's see what happens. Because the stars never motherfucking lie. But people, places, and things do. But I love y'all, though. But be very calm and be very aware of all this bullshit that's going on. And you're going to see right through the illusion, right through the fan. For real.